Alright, and welcome back to the shed. This time, there's just a few items I got from Temu, along with some other stuff I've made a previous video of. I just found them in the shed, in the bag, forgot all about them. These to do with the car, this is a, jeez, I can't even open that now. Where's my little knifey? There it is. These are just cheapo stuff from Temu. This is for your tyres. Let's just say you go for your tyres and you want to give them a little bit of a wash. That's not bad, is it, really? And it'll come off, got a sponge in there. So if you want to clean it, it'll come off, which is handy. Give it a wash or rinse or whatever it is. Not a bad thing, very cheap, but at the end of the day, it's only for your tyres. This was £1 in Temu. I don't know if you can beat that. I don't know. Don't care. This is, let's have a look at this. This is also tyre cleaning related. This is when you want to wash your car and you think to yourself, you know, have I got any cloth? Don't want to use an old t-shirt or something. So this is a soft, and it really is soft cloth, to be honest. Super soft, bright yellow, so you wouldn't lose it in the snow. Grey on one side, yellow on the other. Really feels nice and soft. This will just wash your car with it. I think you wash your car with it, or you take the water off the car. So you've washed your car and it's wet. This will suck it all up, kind of a bit like a fake leather chamois I do. And these, I bought these because I needed these. Most of the stuff I buy I don't need. But this, the parcel shelf on the back of my car is missing. Is missing one of these little string things. You know when you put lights up in your car. These are the strings that go with it. So these are bloody tiny. Shit, man. These are smaller than I thought they would be. These were, no wonder they were £1.29. God. Is there any way to change that? No. Well, that's a bit shit. These are tiny. I hope they fit. Do you know what? I don't know. If they fit, I'll take a picture of them and I'll put it on the community post for you. These were £1 something. No wonder they were £1 something. The string, I should have looked really, but look at that. They're tiny. Well, until the next time, I'm trying to get to 500 subscribers. And if you can help me out, I'd appreciate it. Until the next time, take care. All right, let's see if these will fit. Put them on there. They look tiny, don't they? Is that zoomed out? So put that 0.5. There we are. So this part goes there. That fits fine. This part, take that one out. Goes. Excuse the wind. I'm not doing this on my phone. This needs to come out. If I can get it out. Great. Hang on. Pause this. Right, that's that fixed. So this should go through that. See that hole there? Let's have a look, see if it'll fit. Yep, that one fits there. And oops, forgot I had the phone in my hand. This one will go there. Yeah. So let's see now, because these look tiny. Let's see now if they fit. They do. Can you see that? Oh my god. My screen's filthy. Oh, screen's filthy. Take my word for it. They work. Nice one, Temu.